Do-do-do-do. This is fun. I'm shopping with somebody in America.
In California. And
Yeah,
then,
you tell.
like, what time is it here? Oh my God. Oh,
Yeah.
5 o'clock, baby.
All right, it's 5 a.m.
in the morning, shopping for kimchi.
So we need to find some cabbage.
We're gonna make a kimchi, right?
Yes.
Oh, honey,
It's not-
honey, better that big, the king onion. King onion.
This one.
Yes. What is
That
that
one.
called there?
That one's called leek.
Meat.
You mean
Oh,
leek? Do you mean? Wait. I know which one you mean. Let me see if I can find. I don't know where everything is today. They don't seem to have a lot of stuff in today.
I mean, you could have the green onion, but like that one is.
I have spring onions at home.
You do?
Yeah, I've got spring onions at home.
Sometimes that one is really good too. Like the oh my goodness, you have the
Oh, here we go. This is what I need. That one.
Yes,
Onions at home.
yes.
Okay. What other vegetable things do I need? I've got chili. I've got this kind of chili at home.
Oh, you do? Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. And then we have garlic. We need garlic.
Garlic. All right, I've got garlic. I've got plenty of garlic at home.
Oh, okay. And then
Okay.
you have the
Look, they cheated.
oh my god. Oh my, can you show me that? Oh my, how much is there?
£18.99. That's about $16, I guess it would be.
No, the pound. Oh, euro and pound. Okay, so oh no, I don't know. I gotta find out what is how much. Oh, 18.
Right. What else do I need?
You got the base, and then I think like you got onion, right?
The spring onion. I've got regular onions at home. Yeah.
And then green onion. Yeah.
I've got green onion. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then, so I have fish sauce at home.
Yeah, and then you got the salt and sugar at home, right?
Salt and sugar at home. Yes.
Kimchi. Oh, do you have the ginger?
Yes, I've got ginger at home. Do I need any of these spices? Do I need any spices?
I don't think so. And then also, honey, if you could find like rice, sweet rice, that is okay. But do you have a rice at home? Cooked rice?
I've got rice at home, but I'll see if I can find some. Let me see if I can find some sweet rice.
Oh my God, they have the rice, honey. That rice already.
Rice.
Go back. Yeah. Can you pick just one of that rice? Cooked rice.
This one.
Oh yeah, but not that one. The white rice. Yeah.
This
just
one.
In case. Yeah, just in case.
Okay.
Because if you don't have a rice, then we gotta that one. You gotta put in the line for the when we make the kimchi.
Okay, what else do I need? So now I'm in the sauces.
Oh my God, honey. I mean, do we have to ready for the next meal? Because you got everything right there.
Let's see what's down the next aisle. So we've got this bit here.
Yeah. But honey, the chili sauce, that's the important thing.
Chili sauce.
Yeah, chili flakes. Not
chili.
That one. Chili
flakes. All right, I'll go back down that other aisle and I'll get.
Oh my God, the most important thing that we forgot.
That's all right. Let's see what else. So that's rice on that side. Did you say something about sweet rice?
Oh no, because now you got the rice, so that it's okay because we could use that rice.
Okay, cool. All right, let's keep going then.
I mean, so you're gonna use that like the fish sauce that you have at home, right? But
yeah, I've got fish sauce at home.
Yummy. Yeah. Look at if you have this kind of sauce that I mean, I think it's kind of safe.
That one. Okay, let's have a look because I'm in that aisle now. Wait, let's have a look. Yeah. Right, let me look. I've seen them before. Let me see where they all are.
I think what you sent it to me.
Fish sauce. So I've got these ones down here.
Let me see.
No, I thought I saw it here last time. Let me just get the chili flakes whilst I'm back up. Before I forget. Hold on. Chili flakes. Where are you, chili flakes? Where are you? Chili. crushed chili.
Probably if there's a lot, I saw a lot of Korean one. So no, not that one.
Not that one.
So find Korean chili.
Korean chili. All right, let's see. Let me go down a bit.
Cho, and like they probably have the chili section with the like Korean.
Okay, let's have a look again. One.
No.
That one.
No.
That one. Is it these ones?
No. It already has the flake. Oh, go down. Yeah. Okay.
These ones.
Like no, find like some Korean on it. Korean, like the kimchi.
That one says. Yeah, that one says dried chili. Let me see if I can ask somebody. Let's see.
Yeah, Korean chili.
All right, we'll go. I'll find somebody to ask. Korean chili.
Yeah, Korean. It's like
Oops, sorry.
They have like their flavor. Taeyangcho, Taeyangcho.
Kaeancho.
Taeyangcho is the brand. Oh, see, honey, there is a Korean that I see. What I'm saying is, no, honey. What I'm saying is that can you identify the Korean characters?
No, I don't know what does Korean character look like.
Remember that you showed me the kimchi jars?
Yes.
That is a Korean character.
Let's go look. Let's go back there. Hold on, we'll go back. Where did I see the kimchi? Oh, there it is down here.
In the refrigerator, yeah.
Yeah. I'm here now. Okay. So.
Yeah, something looks like that character is the Korean, okay?
These ones. Yeah?
But yeah, like that is the Korean word, but like the gochugaru.
The characters. Yeah,
characters looks like that one. So you go chili flakes and find that kind of characters.
Okay, let's go back. We'll have another look. Okay, now we know that this isn't. Hold on. Switch. All right. So it's not any of these. It's not the. That's Korean, yeah, but that's not the right thing.
That's not Korean.
It's not Korean. Okay, hold on. Let me go ask somebody. Hold on.
Yeah.
Korean chili flakes.
Yeah.
Right. Let's see if I can find somebody who works here. Excuse me. Do you have any Korean chili flakes?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, that's not this side.
Yeah.
There is the trolley.
Yeah.
Opposite the trolley.
This is opposite the trolley, which is there. Right, that's the trolley. Right, let's start this way round. Let's see if we can see.
Okay, said, honey, the bottom, that's the Korean word. See, that is the Korean word.
Okay.
Cookie, that's the Korean word, yeah.
Right, so that's rice cake.
Yeah.
I think I see it.
You see it?
I think. Is it this one?
Yay!
It is that one.
Yeah, good
right.
to go. Yeah. So, but
Hold
get
on.
the next one. Get next one.
This one?
Yeah. See, that is making, yeah.
That one, yeah?
Yep. Oh.
Yay! Yes, there's four kimchi on it.
Kimchi.
Yay, we found it! We found it. That's good. Oh, what's all? So all this stuff here. So this is all Korean.
Bean paste. Oh, now you got it. Yeah.
Now we have.
Can you see the daikon there? If there's
daikon.
Yeah, if there's daikon, grab one. If it's not, that's fine.
I think. Let me see. It might be.
It looks like this.
Oh, okay.
Larry. If there's no daikon, that's fine.
I don't think. All right. So, what will I use instead of the radish?
Oh, the radish. If we put in the kimchi, is so tasty. Okay, that's it then.
Yeah.
We're not gonna put it there. It's okay.
Okay. Anything else I need?
Oh, for the kimchi, I think. The sauce. Yeah, let's just use your fish sauce. I think that's fine.
All right, so that's it. I'm done now for the shop here. So what I'll do is take this back home, and then tomorrow we get everything ready and we make this kimchi together, yeah?
Yes.
That's fine. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Love you too, darling.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, I got all the stuff that I needed in the shop with Tanya, she shopped with me whilst in there. And so I'm just gonna leave the place now and catch you when I get back. Okay, so I actually forgot that there's an Asian supermarket by my house. So I've pulled in, I did the quick U-turn as I passed it, and I'm gonna turn in because we couldn't find the radishes. So I'm gonna look for that and see if I can find this Korean fish sauce that she was talking about. Okay, be back. Other supermarket here. I don't want to call her again because it was like 5 o'clock or whatever in the morning over there, so I don't want to do that to her again. But that's the other Asian supermarket. I'm gonna go in here and see if I can find these radishes. So I've just got, I don't know if she wanted me to get this sweet fermented rice, but maybe I'll put it there for her so she can see it, and then if she decides that she wants me to get that, I can get that next time. So she asked me to get some fish sauce. Let's see if I can find the one that she was looking for. Right, where would fish sauce be? Some vinegars, where's some? That's a fish sauce. That's the one I already have at home. But you know, I wonder if it's this one that she was going on about. I don't know. This, I don't think this is that Korean? It might be the one. Alright, I'm gonna take. That might be the one that she wanted me to get, so I'll get it next time. Right, let's go see if we can find some. Okay, so what's happening? Yeah, so sorry, David called me as I was paying, but I found the daikon. It's really soft, weird texture, but hopefully it's the right thing. Okay, sorry about mishmashing my eyes. Can't work out which side to look at. All right, I'm gonna go home now. It's time to go home. So today I went out and I got all the bits and pieces that I would need for the kimchi to make with Tanya tomorrow. I went down to Asiana, which is a supermarket in the city, and then on my way back, because we couldn't find a daikon, so on my way back I had to like make a U-turn as I drove past the other Asian supermarket. I think that I probably would have been, it's like I needed both because they didn't have the cabbage at the second one, but they had the daikon. But they had like the rice, and they had like all loads of sweet rice they had there, and the red pepper, they had that there too. So I think either way I would have had to have stopped twice. So, but next time I'm gonna make that journey to Birmingham because I really wanted to go to Wing It, but it's about an hour away, and it's fine, but I think just, yeah, the cost of petrol and everything right now is just easier to just go to the local ones. So yeah, right, anyway, so I managed to get the things for the kimchi that I'm going to be making with Tanya tomorrow. So we've got the cabbages, we've got the daikon. Feels really weird, it's like spongy, it's like alive. It's alive. And she said I needed some rice, so some rice and some chili or red pepper powder. It's cool because she's taught me what Korean looks like, so now I know what the Korean looks like. So just to see if I'm right, I bought this and that looked Korean to me, so hopefully I'm right and she will tell me if I'm right or not. But I thought it cool because it says signature sauce for rice, so I thought I might try that. And I just got other goodies when I was at Asiana. We love soba noodles in this house. Soba noodles. And these are some flavors that I haven't tried before. So that one and that one, and you can always have tamari sauce. Tamari soy sauce is really good. So I got that, and I got some okra from my. Next time we see this stuff, we should be making our kimchi together. I'm looking forward to it, Tanya.